Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, I have a swap that I need to mail out, so I wanted to share it with you really quickly because I'm on my way to the post office. So I joined a swap for the Esther Luca, I forgot her channel name. I'll put it in the description box. But she has several larger swaps every year, and I like her fall swap. And they're always different, so I like that. But one of the things that I did make was this card, and I made this card with you guys using the laminating sheets. So this is how I have packaged that card, and I'm not going to take it out for you guys because the top of the card is what opens, or the top of the bag is what opens, not the bottom, because I didn't have any this size that are self-sealing. This is the envelope. But I had already made this with you guys, so you know what that looks like. And then another thing, that was one of the requirements, and another requirement was a dangle. So this is her dangle, and this is how I have packaged it, and it's got different colored beads, and I tried to make it as fall as I could. I don't know if that was required, the fall part, but it just said a dangle. So I made it, for me, fall colors. That is the dangle that I'll be sending my swap partner. And this is how I have packaged it. I tried to make all the packaging match. So I used the leaves, and then I used this, this trim right there, that ribbon, for probably most of it. And then the main project was a fall banner that had to have a minimum of 4 pennants, and this is what I have made my partner. So it's going to be kind of hard to see, but hopefully you'll be able to see what it is. There is her banner, and it does spell out the word fall. Let me move this so I can try to show you a little bit closer. And it does spell out fall. So what I've done is I have gone ahead and I used the same laminating sheets with the fall leaves to make this the actual banner, these pennants, transparent with the leaves on there. And then I spelled out the word fall with my, I cut those out with my Cricut, and that is vinyl. But I did put a little bit of, just a bead of glue on the back side, so it would hopefully not ever come off. And for each pennant, and this is the shape that I chose for mine. So this is a die that I had in my stash. It's a nesting die. So I spelled the word fall. Let me show you one up close. Let me pick the A here. So like I said, this is the laminating sheet that I put the fall leaves into and then laminated it. So I thought it turned out really, really cute, just like the card. And then it's got the letter on the front. It's got a little leaf on the top with some acorns. And it's got a small cluster at the bottom. And I just put some wire, curled up some wire and put it on there. And this is rose gold on the front, and then on the back, that is what the back looks like. So I didn't do anything to the back because, well, hello, it'll be on the wall. And let me see if that glue shows. You can't even see the glue that I put on there, but I did. I put some glue on there. And then between each letter, I went ahead and chose a cut apart from the paper pad that I used. And this is the fall festival that I had hauled in my design team package this month, and I used the cut aparts to go ahead and include those in the banner because they're so pretty. So this is my banner to her, and I just used some twine to put it together, to string it together, and that is my banner to my partner. And I was going to put a string of lights on there, and then I asked my best friend, what do you think? She says, yeah, it takes too much away from the banner itself. The lights took too much away from the banner, so I decided against it. But that is my banner to her, guys, and I absolutely love how it turned out. I really, really do. And that was the requirements. So we were asked to put 1 or 2 extra items in there. So this is another thing that I made with you guys. I'm going to give her the little 4x4 mini album that I had made another one with you guys. I think the other one was Christmas, but I'm giving her the little album that I made that I absolutely love. So this one has brown lace, brown trim on there instead of the burgundy like the other ones. And then of course this is popped up on a dimensional, and I don't have to go into it any further because I had already shown you this one. So that's an extra goodie. And then another extra is I made her this. It's a little box, and I, again, with the fall paper, the fall festival paper, I cut out this little tag, and it says hello fall, and made her the little flower cluster with the leaf on the back. And inside is a jar of, I just decorated this little jar right here, and inside that jar I sent her some glass glitter, and I attached a little spoon. It's hard to see the little spoon because it's clear. I attached a little spoon, and then in where this little sunflower is at, that's another jar, and that one has some of the sequins, the little leaf sequins, the foiled leaves that I used for the laminating sheets. So I put some of that in there for her, and this is what the rest of the little box looks like. Okay, and you can kind of see the glass glitter there, but I put some glass glitter in there so she can play around with that, and that's an extra goodie. Another extra I made for her were some leaves along with some flowers, and the flowers have the glass glitter on there. So I thought, well, maybe she can use those on something. And then the leaves, I went ahead and inked the edges, and again with the topper I tried to make them match. So I really like the way that glass glitter looks on there, so it makes it sparkle so pretty. So those are extras. And then I know she likes her shaker cards. So when the last time I went to the Dollar Tree, I picked up 3 packages of sequins. I don't have much sequins, so I didn't have a lot that I could share with her. So I thought, well, let me just buy her some. And again, this is just going to be wrapped in tissue. So those are the 3 colors that I got her. She can, mix and match. And then another thing that I had already shared with you guys was this die cuts envelope. So this was, I made this especially for her. And again, I don't have to go into it because I've already shared all this with you guys. And I don't think I shared everything that I put in there. So I put some fall bling in that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that's gorgeous. So I put some fall bling in there, and I put some bows in here and doilies in this one. And so I had already shared that one with you guys. So this is going to her, and oh, that's so pretty. Maybe she can reuse it. And then I do know that she likes her chocolates, so I got her one of my favorite chocolates. And I just made the little box for the chocolates to go into. And I just die cut the word thankful, and I put again the paper on the back. And this is just this was a piece that I had left for a scrap, and I just love this print. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna put it on there anyway. So maybe she can reuse the box as well. If not, that's okay. It's a pretty presentation. So again, I went with the leaf and the trim, and then the little flower in the center. And then this has Velcro. So it opens up that way, and I used some of the shimmer paper. And this is one of my favorite chocolates, guys. This is the Cadbury milk chocolate. I was gonna get her my ultimate favorite, which has almonds, but I don't know if she likes nuts or not. So I thought, well, let me just stick to the chocolate. So that is an extra goodie for her, and it just closes with the Velcro, and there you go. Love that. And that is it, guys. That is my project share for the day. And I hope that my partner likes what I am sending her, because I truly enjoyed making all of this for her. And that is my package to her. All right, guys, next time, I got her package already, but I have not opened it because I hadn't mailed mine out yet. And I don't like to open a package and then have mine sitting here. That's why I am going to go ahead and package this or box it up and send it off so I can open her package and share with you guys what she sent me. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a wonderful day. Thanks a lot, guys.